Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm London. 大家好，欢迎又回到我的频道，我是 London. Today I want to share with you what I made for dinner in 6 days, and just using whatever ingredients I had on hand. These are easy and time-saving as well as kid-friendly meals. Hope this video will give you more ideas for dinners during the week. If you are interested in any dish in this video, please comment down below and I will make an individually detailed video for the recipe that you want to know. 今天我想跟大家做一个不一样的视频，跟你们分享一下这个6天快捷简单的晚餐。我并没有特意准备食材，我只是用冰箱里面现有的那些食材。希望这个视频能给你们增加一点晚餐的想法。如果你们对哪一道菜特别感兴趣，请一定给我留言，我会做那道菜详细的视频。For busy Monday, I make the least cooking. I made this arugula salad that is one of my favorite salad. Just add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil, pinch of pink sea salt, and black pepper, and a touch of truffle oil for more taste. Stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds or chia seeds, and slices of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I added some sliced cucumber in the end for my daughter. 菜的部分今天拌的是芝麻菜沙拉，加1勺特纯橄榄油，1点海盐、黑胡椒，一点点松露油，1茶勺亚麻籽或者奇亚籽，一些帕玛森芝士，在最后我又加了一点点黄瓜片给我女儿。For the steak, I just cook each side for 15 to 20 minutes on low to medium heat. Add some wine during cooking. In the end, add a little bit butter and some garlic powder, thyme and sea salt. Drizzle the oil onto the steak for more flavor. 今晚的牛排我是用中小火，两面各煎15到20分钟，中间加红酒去腥，最后油里面加一点黄油，一些蒜粉和百里香，把油淋在牛排上就好了。20 ounces of chicken broth and 20 ounces water into a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of miso paste, some diced tofu, and fish balls. Bring it to boil. 水和鸡汤各一半，加2勺味增汤酱，加一些豆腐和鱼丸煮开。煮汤的同时就可以炒豆豉鲮鱼油麦菜了。While the soup is being cooked, I'm making the canned black bean fish with lettuce leaf. This lettuce leaf is not the romaine lettuce, but they are from the same family. You can buy this lettuce leaf from any Chinese grocery store. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in the canned fish. Stir it 1 minute, and it's done. 放入油麦菜翻炒，加1勺蚝油，最后加鲮鱼罐头，翻炒1分钟就好了。Back to the soup. I sliced some asparagus, add into the soup. Add some sea salt for taste. When the soup is back to a boil, it's done. 回来继续做汤，我切了一些芦笋加在汤里烧开，再加点海盐调味就好了。For day 3, I'm using an Instant Pot to make the beef stew. 1 tablespoon of oil, heat it up. I diced 1 onion, add into the pot. Add in diced beef, stir it. 今天我用的是电压力锅，先在炒菜的模式加入油，洋葱翻炒，然后加入牛肉。Add in 2 cups of canned tomato. I saved it in the freezer, but I forgot to defrost it, so I just added in. Add in diced potato and carrots. I forgot to add in celery. You can absolutely add in celery. 2杯罐头的番茄，我存在冻箱里面，但是我忘记化冻了，没关系，我就直接把它加进去，再加入土豆丁和胡萝卜丁，这样就好了。这次忘记了加芹菜，你可以加一些芹菜丁在里面。Add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, chicken broth to cover up all the ingredients, and some frozen peas. Put the lid on and seal it. Change to pressure cooking for 30 minutes. 再加2茶勺意大利香料，足够的鸡汤没过所有的食材。再加一些青豆，加盖封住，调高压模式煮30分钟就可以了。 现在我们来炒菜。I diced the celery and dried tofu. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Cook them in the pan. Add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and stir a few minutes. It's done. 芹菜丁和豆腐干翻炒，加2茶勺酱油炒香。This dinner is so nutritious and delicious. Plus, you got beef stew for lunch the next day. Day 4, I found 1 piece of boneless pork chop in my freezer, so I'm making fried crispy pork. 第4天，我今天在冻箱里面找到一块猪扒，所以我决定把这个猪扒做成干炸里脊。I cut it into thin pieces, coat them with egg, flour, and potato starch mixer. 把猪扒切成条，用面粉、淀粉、蛋液裹住，然后加油，用小火炸。Use a small saucepan, heat up some oil, fry them. When all the pieces are done, put them all back into the pan again, double fry them for another couple minutes to make it more crispy. 把所有肉条都炸好后，再把所有的都放回锅里面，2次过油，1到2分钟就会更脆了。At the same time, on another burner, cook bok choy with shiitake mushrooms.Stir the mushrooms in the pan, add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in the bok choy, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. 加入香菇翻炒，加1勺蚝油，然后加入上海小青菜翻炒2到3分钟就可以了。I had a tomato left in my fridge, so I thought, why not making a tomato and egg soup? So there it is. We got a bonus soup for dinner tonight. 我冰箱里面还剩了一个西红柿，所以我临时决定加一个西红柿蛋汤，真的太好喝了。Day 5, we're having chicken wings. First, I fry the wings in the pan. When both sides got golden brown, add in ginger, garlic cloves, and scallions. Stir them well. Let them cook about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in dark soy sauce and light soy sauce for darkening the color as well as for flavoring, and some water, and then cover the lid. Bring it to a boil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Turn down the heat to low. Simmer it for 20 minutes and lid up back to high heat to cook down the water. 第5天，我做了红烧鸡翅和蚝油生菜。首先两边煎一下鸡翅，煎至金黄色后，加入葱姜蒜炒香，然后加入酱油和生抽，还有一些黄糖，再加水。盖盖子煮开，小火加热20分钟，开盖收汁就好了。I stir-fry romaine lettuce tonight. When oil is heated up, add in the lettuce. Then add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Cook it through. 今晚菜的部分就是蚝油生菜，葱爆香，然后把生菜炒一下，加入2勺蚝油翻炒，然后熟了就可以了。蚝油生菜你也可以煮，把生菜过一下水，淋上蚝油就可以了。Day 6, steamed sea bass and garlic bok choy. I put my fish on a plate. Underneath of the fish, I add some sliced gingers and scallions and drizzling some cooking alcohol on it and steam in a large pan for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on the size of the fish. 第6天， 今天我做清蒸石斑，盘子上面铺一点葱姜，再放上鱼，在鱼上面淋一点料酒，经过蒸15到20分钟。At the same time, in a small pan, heat up a quarter cup of oil and add in shredded scallions, gingers. Cook until the scallions start to change its color. 我把油加热，放进葱丝和姜丝，加热直到葱丝开始有一点变色，关火。Take out the fish, add 1 tablespoon of fish soy sauce, and add in the scallion oil we just made. 蒸好的鱼拿出来，加1勺蒸鱼豉油，再淋上刚做好的葱油。The vegetable for tonight is garlic boy choy. Add cold oil and diced garlic cloves at the same time to the pan and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in boy choy and salt. Stir well. 今晚的菜是蒜蓉上海小青菜，冷油和蒜末一起下锅加热，再加入切碎的小青菜翻炒，加盐调味，炒熟就可以出锅了。I hope you'll find this video useful. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you next week. 希望你会喜欢我这期的视频，不要忘记点赞和订阅，要记住分享给你身边的朋友哦。谢谢，下周见。